Welcome guys. My name is Arba. I wanted to share with you 7 steps to finding a business that is right for you. Many people believe starting a business is a mysterious process. They know they want to start a business, but they don't know the first steps to take. In this video, you're going to find out how to get an idea for a business, how you figure out exactly what it is you want to do, and then how to take action on it. 1. Define what kind of business you want to find. The first step in finding the right business for you is to define what kind of business you want to find. Consider what businesses are in demand and what businesses match your skills and interests. Location is also an important factor to consider. 2. Research the industry and find out what businesses are in demand. Researching the industry will help you determine what businesses are in demand. This information can be found online or through industry associations. 3. Look for businesses that match your skills and interests. Once you know what businesses are in demand, you can start looking for businesses that match your skills and interests. Consider the location of the business and the type of business you want to find. 4. Consider the location of the business. The location of the business is an important factor to consider. You will need to consider the commute, the cost of living, and the amenities the area offers. 5. Find businesses that are for sale. There are many businesses that are for sale. You can find these businesses online or through business brokers. 6. Evaluate the businesses you are interested in. Once you have found some businesses that you are interested in, you will need to evaluate them. Consider the financials, the products or services, the location, and the competition. 7. Choose the right business for you. After you have evaluated the businesses you are interested in, you can choose the right business for you. Consider your skills, interests, and the location of the business. Now we have come to the end of this presentation. Thanks for watching. If you like this content and want to follow it, we invite you to subscribe to this channel. Don't skimp on liking or commenting. See you in another video. Have a nice day.